Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Klarna login session expired error. First, log out of your Klarna account if possible and log in again. This refreshes your session and often fixes the problem. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Klarna app and swipe it away. Wait for a few while and reopen it. If you're using a browser, clear the browser's cache and cookies, then log in again. Also, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Klarna and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Restart your phone or device before trying again. If the problem continues, reset your password and log in using the new password. That's how you fix the Klarna session login session expired error